Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both the PC and the watch for a stable connection. Install Wallpaper Engine version 2, 3 or later on your PC. Ensure the watch supports external wallpapers or screen casting via USB-C or Wi-Fi. Use a compatible cable, preferably USB-C to USB-C for modern watches. Choose a wallpaper with a maximum resolution of 3840 x 2160 or 1920 x 1080 to match watch capabilities. Limit wall. Next, enable developer mode and screen casting on the watch before connecting. Open Wallpaper Engine and switch to output or multi-monitor mode in settings. Identify the watch listed as a secondary display in Windows Display Settings. Select the watch as the target output inside Wallpaper Engine. Match the wallpaper resolution to the watch native size to avoid scaling artifacts. Set a performance cap at 60 FPS to save battery and maintain stable playback on the watch. Finally, optimize wallpaper performance and persistence for daily use on the watch. Prefer static images or short-looped wallpapers under 15 seconds to reduce CPU and battery usage. Disable audio tracks and heavy shaders that increase rendering load. Enable Wallpaper Engine low power mode and reduce texture quality if available. Test the connection for at least 10 minutes to confirm stable playback and acceptable battery drain. Reboot both the PC and watch if frame rates drop below 30 FPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.